How to fix text scaling issues in Wix Studio. So you can see right here that I have in here this text. So as you have noticed, it looks fine into the actual breakpoint of your desktop. But what does it look like onto your mobile? So as you can see, it's not really good looking into our mobile. So what we can do is we can head over and then change that. Just head over and then head back to your desktop. Click onto this text that we're talking about. And then after we have done that, click onto this inspector icon that we can see right here. Now in here, we can see this responsive behavior. So as you can see, it's actually fixed. So what we can do is we can click on it. You can choose from hug. As you can see, we also have in here a freebie of what that will look like. For this one, let's choose in here the scale proportionally. So once you have selected that, it should be able to be applied into the text that we have in here earlier. So let's close the inspector and then let's switch again to mobile and see if it actually is been actually headed. So as you can see, it's better, but as you can see, the text is not scaling yet. So let's head back again into our desktop to fix that. Opening here again the inspector. And then once you have opened that, let's head over again into our actual destination. What we can do in this case is to just minimize the font size that appeared when we're onto our mobile. For example, let's change it into 10 font size, and then it should be able to reflect right here already in order to actually minimize it. So as you can see, this is what it will look like onto your mobile. But as you can see, it's still unaffected into our desktop. So that's how you fix text scaling issues in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.